Hey guys, long time no see. I am about to eat. Nothing has changed, I'm about to stuff my face. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm eating. Hold on. Here we go. Cool. Shrimp. Crab legs. Lemons and lime. Spoons and fork. I'm gonna make this into a trash bag. I don't have any plates. Okay. I don't have any plate. Look at this. This is so much rice. I got 2 of them. Hold on. Look at this corn. That's some hearty looking corn. Look at that. These are green mussels. All of these have different seasonings. I'm just really extra. These are really spicy. These are shrimp. And these are my crab legs. Okay, I think I said that. Okay, I'm gonna just plate this out on the plastic. Oh, that's a big meaty. Oh, this is my favorite restaurant. Dang it, I have no tools for this. Okay, but look how big this is just 1 pound. But you see how quality, this is a quality restaurant. Like, look at this. Do you see how big this crab leg is? Oh, shrimp with the head on. Ooh, let's set that right there. Double plastic that. That looks messy because that sauce is really spicy. Okay. So this is just going to be kind of wild. This is not very... Okay, so it was prepared. Not all the way. I didn't think to bring my own utensils. And I've noticed that most hotels have a limit on how much power you can use. Oh, that's so genius. Look at that. How much power you can use in the wall socket. So my lights do not work. And this is like the 4th hotel, so now I realize it's probably just a thing. But that makes sense, because why would you want people going crazy with your power? Well, maybe I could. So yeah, they limit it. Because my lights aren't even that powerful, but I guess it's above all the limits. So I need to order a battery kit so I can have portable lights. Because I am tired of not having the quality that I like. That is genius. This little circle thing that I've thought of. This little circle thing. It's like little bowls. I'm giving y'all a new life hack. Fold the bag. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get into it. Oh, I got one more bag. Shaky, 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 shaky. I love mussels and rice. Okay. Let's do this set up. Spoon. Another spoon. More sauces. Come on. Okay. This one. That's the seasonal something whatever house sauce, and this one is just plain old garlic butter because I always need plain old garlic butter for my crabs. Have my lemons and limes ready. Cool. So, in the future, that better not be distracting. Let me turn that off. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna try not to make a mess, but oh, that has zero flavor. LOL. It's just steamed corn. I forgot. Oh, look at this sauce. Hold on. Do you see that? Look at that. Look at all that fresh garlic. Look at that bite. The flavoring of the sauce. I'm sorry, it just can take me away. It's so good. So let's talk. Spicy. So spicy. It came up my nose. Okay, calm down. Okay. Life is so hard for me right now. Like, I'm sure everybody can say that in some sense, but for me, it's a very mentally challenging life I'm living because I'm at the point in life where I have to put in the work. Like, if y'all haven't noticed, I'm very inconsistent. My biggest, what is that called? When you have good and bad about you, my biggest, whatever that thing is called, is that I'm not very consistent. And throughout all my school years, like starting in middle school, I never did any of my work. People always did my work for me. Like, I talk like this now, but in high school, I was super ditzy. My voice was very ditzy, like Blondie. And everyone described me as ditzy, but anyways, yeah, like, it's crazy. I never even, like, it's not even like I tried. Like, one day in the first literally week of school, when the teacher gave the first assignment, it was like some written thing. I didn't even say anything. I was sitting, we had 4 desks, like 1, 2, 3, 4, all meeting in the center, and we all faced each other. And I was sitting here, and there was a girl sitting there. Never talked this whole time. Ooh, I got this really spicy, and it's so good. I normally don't struggle as much. It's just I'm trying to talk and multitask. But anyway, hold on. Okay. So, So, Mm. Mm. Where was I? Oh yeah, so the teacher handed out an assignment, and I don't even know what it was. It was something about writing. And before he even finished explaining, she reached over and she was like, "Hey, I'll do that for you for this much." And she said however much the price would be. And then she said that, I was like, "Oh, okay, cool." I was like, "So you gonna do it for me?" And she was like, "Yeah." And then she was like, "Matter of fact, I'll do your work all year. I'll do everything for you. Just pay me." And I was like, "Really?" And she was like, "Yeah." I don't even remember the class. I couldn't. That's how you know I didn't do the work. I don't know what class that was, but that's just one instance. Like, I'm telling you guys, I have like a history of life of this happening in every class. Without me trying, people just assume. And it was good then, but now it sucks because I actually like everything happening right now, like the way my life is, it all requires me to do the work. Nobody could do it for me. It's me. That's mentally a lot. Somebody's probably thinking that's nothing. I put in hard work every day. You are lucky. Go you. Like, I don't even know what to call that. Like, think of it as, I don't know how to give another example, but basically it's like my brain is trained to never do it. And I gotta train myself to actually do stuff. And then this even happened in college. College was worse though. College was very expensive. That was part of the reason I dropped out. I was like, hold up, I'm paying too much money to get everything done. I had too many people on my roster. I was like, Oh, so spicy. Spicy. I got this, the shrimp in this bag is extra spicy. Hold on, let me get to the crab legs. I forgot about them too. What the heck is that? Oh. This got my nose opened up. Ah. Oh, some of these are so saucy. Come here. I don't know what sauce I got that in, but that's it. That one's not spicy. It's sweet. Hold on. Gotcha. Look at it. Filled with garlic and sauce. Somebody got dogs. Interesting. Y'all hear these dogs? These don't sound like little dogs. It sounds like big dogs beefing in the hotel. There's a piece of shell in my mouth. I can't find it. Well, I swallowed it. Look at all that garlic and butter. They are still beefing. What's happening? This sauce is sweet, and I'm here for it. Crazy. They need to get this fight together. Ah, it's hairs in my mouth. This dog's barking. What's going on? Let me just throw another corn in there. Marinade. Okay. I told y'all I was getting to these crabs 10 minutes ago. I forgot. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's how I know. Let's put it in there regular butter. Let's see what that butter hitting like. I could drink that. No, I felt it. Oh, it's gone. It's down there now. Something went down my shirt. Oh, I forgot to take a picture of everything before I started eating. Oops. Oh yeah. Oh. No. 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 So special. I just can't stop eating this shrimp. If you've never had shrimp with the head on, you're missing out. That guts right there. It's so good. Ooh. Ooh. I just got a pepper in my nose. It's still in my nose. So spicy. Oh, so spicy. Oh, so spicy. Ooh, my mouth is burning. That's what I was trying to get to. That knuckle. Oh. I don't know. That garlic, I mean, that, what are those called? That mussel sauce is the best of all the sauces. It's sweet. But it's not like sugary sweet. Genius. Another part, I took a long pause. I started eating. Anyways, I just had a moment. Sorry. What was I saying? Oh yeah, another part to what I was saying about being productive, having to do everything and doing all my own work. I'm now learning to get my work done, then play. I used to just play. Work whenever. But I'm trying to train myself. Get work done, then play. So right now, I'm doing some work so I can go play at the casino. I cannot wait. I like playing roulette. I like the thrill. It's just my type of game. I like statistics too. That was a lot. Even though you can tell when they cheating, when the house is rigging the game. But sometimes it's just highly improbable. Ain't no one. I'm gonna rearrange these bags. Okay. I need all this sauce. Give me. Oh, there's so much garlic in there. Ah! Oh, okay. Yes. Yes. Let's even mix it up. Let's mix it up. I got a cookie for dessert. My goodness. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. The crab sauce had like angled to the bottom. The crab sauce has this sweet sauce too. I didn't even know that this whole time. Where's my lemon? Whoa. Woo, piggy wiggy. Piggy wiggy wiggy. Love me some good food. Oh no. There we go. That'll do it. You showed them, girl. This is that sweet sauce. I can't tell you how good this is. Like, I'm telling you guys, I done been, this restaurant that I'm eating, I don't want to tell y'all because I feel like y'all gonna ruin it. Because, you know, all of a sudden, everybody in the world want to go there. And I've been going to this restaurant for like 6 years. I literally come to Vegas to come to this restaurant. I'll never forget the way I discovered them with my sister. We came to Vegas for her 21st birthday. And we were just looking to get some seafood. That was before seafood boil was even big. Like, they just had a big menu and it said it was like a bucket or put it all in your boil or something. And that's what we did. That was my first time having seafood like this. Like, high quality. You taste the meat. You taste the meat. Everything's fresh. They just cooked this food. Maybe I might, you know what, I'm a little kooky. I've already been there 3 times. This is my 4th time since I've been here. I might go one more time and I'll eat in the restaurant so y'all can see it. We'll see. But it's so good, I don't get tired. Ever. I would never get tired of this. I'm shocked too. I just keep going. I'm like, girl, there's all this other food, but this is all I think about. It's just so good. Like, what's so good about their sauce is it's not greasy. It's not oily. Like, I like juicy crab in Atlanta and wherever else they are, but theirs is very oily. This is non-greasy. There's literally, it's like a savory sauce, like a herb sauce. Like, I can't describe it. It's like a it reminds me, actually one of the flavors is called like New Orleans or something, I think. It reminds me of New Orleans spiced. I don't know. It's hard to describe. It's very like spiced, flavorful, non-buttery, non-oily. It's flavored. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm rambling. I just can't describe how good it is. Like, the sauce got me wanting to eat my own fingers. I would eat them. And I think I got just like seasoned butter or something, basic flavor. Whatever it is, it's so good. I can't. It's sweet. Ah, gosh. I broke it again. Stop getting on my dress. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's these nails. I can't feel where normally with my fingers I can just quickly feel. These nails are slowing me down. Erg. Put some of that sweet sauce on there. What's cracking? I'm choking on peppers. Don't mind me. Ugh. Gotta switch these bags for Y'all hear these peppers tearing me up. Yep, give me all of that, all of that. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so full. That one was filled with so much garlic. I'm sorry, the food is just sending me away. I'm trying to come back to earth. It's just, I can't explain how good this flavor. It's not buttery. It's not oily. It's thick. It's cream. It's I really can't word it. It's sweet. I don't even know what to compare it to. I'm just letting y'all know. This is not like regular seafood boil. It's not like buttery sauce like that. This sauce, this is definitely, like, I'm telling you guys, this is probably my favorite place to get a seafood boil from in America. I come to Las Vegas just to go to this place. This sauce, they're different. That's how good their sauce is. I got different sauces on everything. It's like, it's so spicy. What the heck? First off, I've been drinking Pepsis for a hot minute. I don't know why. I just always gravitated towards them. I love that. Whichever one I like it. But downstairs, they only had Coke. And I don't know what the biggest difference is, but I know Pepsi don't make me feel like this. Like, it's so carbonated. Like, it's so spicy. Like, that stuff is hitting my throat. Like, oh no, I did make a mess. Dang. Oh no. Come here. Oh, goodness. Where is my fingernail? Oh my gosh, I pushed it back. No. It's like I'm so full, but I can't stop eating this corn. I really can't. Just putting it on the corn is basically giving me an excuse to drink the sauce. That's all garlic chopped up. Ah, I caught it. I'm so full. My last corn. I just have so much. Hold on. Okay, that's better. Hold on. Mm. 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 Hey, there I am. Okay, I've made a lot of a mess, but I'm tapped out. Let's take a bite of this cookie though. Ugh. Oh yeah, it's soft. Mm. It tastes chalky and greasy. Why is the cookie greasy? I'm full. Mm. Whew. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to see how my belly looks after this meal, make sure you check out my Patreon, patreon.com/BlossomB. Link is in my bio. Link is in the description bar below. Follow me on Instagram at BloatedBellyQueen 2.0 and my personal at Blossom the Beast. I will see you guys in another video. It was fun. I had fun. Nice having company. Peace.